Listen carefully, because what I'm about to share might completely change how you look at aging. Every night, millions of people over 60 crawl into bed, thinking they are doing everything right for their health. Yet something is quietly stealing their strength, their balance, and their independence. It isn't just time. It isn't just getting older. It's something that happens while you sleep. And if you don't stop it, this thief could take away up to 8% of your muscle mass every decade. That means weaker legs, slower recovery, and higher risk of falls, all while you think you're resting peacefully. So why does this happen? And more importantly, what can you do to stop it before it's too late? Stay with me until the very end, because I am going to share 8 scientifically proven foods you can eat before bed to stop nighttime muscle loss, and even reverse it, so you wake up feeling stronger, not weaker. Why this matters? You might think muscle loss happens during the day, when you're resitting too much or not exercising enough. But research shows something shocking. Much of that muscle decline actually happens at night while you sleep. Here's why. When you go to bed without the right fuel, your body enters a long fasting state. There's no food coming in for 6, 8, sometimes even 10 hours. Your body still needs amino acids, the building blocks of protein, to repair tissues and keep your metabolism running. And if it can't get those amino acids from food, it goes to the next best place, your muscles. This process is called catabolism, and in people over 60 it happens faster and more severely because of something called anabolic resistance. Your muscles don't use protein as efficiently as they once did. The result? Night after night, your muscles are slowly cannibalized, leaving you weaker, more fragile, and less able to recover from even simple activities. But here's the good news. There is a way to flip the switch. Researchers have discovered that eating the right kind of foods 30 to 60 minutes before bed can dramatically reduce this muscle breakdown and even trigger new muscle growth while you sleep. This doesn't mean heavy meals or complicated supplements. In fact, most of the foods are simple, affordable, and easy to prepare. So let's go through the top 8 bedtime muscle-protecting foods you should start using tonight. Number 8. Cottage cheese. Cottage cheese might sound old-fashioned, but it's a nighttime superfood. It's loaded with casein protein, which digests slowly, releasing a steady stream of amino acids over 6 to 8 hours. A study in the British Journal of Nutrition found that adults over 60 who ate cottage cheese before bed had a 31% increase in muscle protein synthesis overnight, compared to those who ate nothing. Start with half a cup, plain and low fat if possible. Mix in banana slices or cinnamon for flavor. This simple snack feeds your muscles all night long and even helps you sleep better thanks to tryptophan, a natural sleep-promoting compound. 7. Hard-boiled eggs. Eggs aren't just for breakfast. Each egg has about 6 grams of complete protein, rich in leucine, the amino acid that flips on the muscle-building switch. A 2021 study in Nutrients showed that adults over 60 who ate eggs before bed had a 19% higher muscle preservation rate than those who skipped protein. Eat 1 or 2 hard-boiled eggs about 30 minutes before bed. Sprinkle with turmeric and black pepper to fight inflammation. Pair with a slice of avocado for a healthy fat boost to keep you fuller for longer. Number 6. Tuna in olive oil. This might surprise you, but tuna packed in olive oil is a nighttime muscle-preserving powerhouse. Tuna gives you clean, complete protein, while olive oil slows digestion, allowing for a steady nutrient release. A 2020 study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that protein paired with healthy fats led to a 34% higher rate of muscle protein synthesis overnight compared to low-fat protein. Scoop out half a can, add lemon juice and cucumber slices, and you've got a perfect late-night snack. Number 5. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is triple-strained, meaning it's higher in protein and lower in sugar. It contains casein for slow release, plus probiotics for better nutrient absorption and digestion. A study in Frontiers in Nutrition found that participants who ate Greek yogurt before bed had a 26% boost in overnight muscle protein synthesis and even reported more energy the next morning. Eat half a cup of plain, unsweetened yogurt. Add a few berries or cinnamon for taste. Avoid sugary flavors that could disrupt sleep. Number 4, warm turmeric milk. Warm milk before bed isn't just a comfort ritual. It's a muscle saver. Milk contains slow-digesting protein, calcium, and tryptophan to help you relax. Adding turmeric supercharges it with anti-inflammatory curcumin. A 2022 study in nutritional neuroscience found that older adults who combined protein with turmeric before bed reported less morning stiffness and 32% better overnight muscle recovery. Number 3, almond butter. Almond butter is packed with healthy fats, magnesium, and plant-based protein. Magnesium helps your muscles relax and improve sleep quality. A 2020 study in nutrients showed that adding almond fats before bed led to better nitrogen retention, meaning less muscle breakdown and lower stress hormones. Just 1 spoonful is enough. Spread it on apple slices or whole grain crackers for a satisfying, muscle-protecting treat. Number 2, tart cherry juice. Tart cherry juice is rich in anthocyanins, powerful anti-inflammatory compounds, and is one of the few natural sources of melatonin. In a study published in the Journal of the International Society of Sports Nutrition, adults over 50 who drank tart cherry juice had 33% less muscle soreness and slept better. Drink 4 to 6 ounces of unsweetened tart cherry juice about 30 minutes before bed. For 1, whey protein shake. The ultimate winner is a simple whey protein shake. Whey protein is rich in leucine and rapidly absorbed, making it perfect for turning on your muscle-building machinery right before sleep. Even if you don't exercise, studies show that seniors who drink whey protein at night preserve more muscle mass, have better recovery, and wake up stronger. Mix 20-25 grams of high-quality whey protein with water or milk and drink it 30 minutes before bed. So now you know, the silent thief of muscle strikes at night, but you can stop it with one simple change: feeding your muscles before you sleep. Start with one of these foods tonight. Within weeks, you may notice less stiffness, more strength, and even better sleep. If you found this helpful, hit the like button. Share this with someone who wants to stay strong after 60. And subscribe to WellthWise for more science-backed tips to help you age with energy, independence, and confidence.